What is the one word for tendency to believe readily? The correct answer is credulity. What is the one word for anything short-lived, as an insect that lives only for a day? The correct answer is ephemeral. What is the one word for try to stir up? The correct answer is foment. What is the one word for give qualities or abilities to? The correct answer is endow. What is the one word for the property of relative size or extent? The correct answer is magnitude. What is the one word for the shape or manner in which things come together? The correct answer is juncture. What is the one word for something added to another thing but not essential to it? The correct answer is adjunct. What is the one word for bind with something round or circular? The correct answer is gird. What is the one word for marked by lack of definite plan, purpose, or enthusiasm? The correct answer is desultory. What is the one word for a state or condition markedly different from the norm? The correct answer is aberration. What is the one word for difficult to manage or mold? The correct answer is intractable. What is the one word for a stable situation in which forces cancel one another? The correct answer is equilibrium. What is the one word for having a woman or women as the head or ruler? The correct answer is matriarchal. What is the one word for hypothetical remedy for all ills or diseases? The correct answer is panacea. What is the one word for lucky, occurring by happy chance? The correct answer is fortuitous. What is the one word for the consequences of an event, especially a catastrophic one? The correct answer is aftermath. What is the one word for worn and broken down by hard use? The correct answer is decrepit. What is the one word for a powerful circular current of water? The correct answer is maelstrom. What is the one word for several things grouped together or considered as a whole? The correct answer is assemblage. What is the one word for well informed about or knowing thoroughly? The correct answer is conversant.